Space. What did you imagine when I said this word? Enormous galaxies, luminous stars, colossal planets, asteroids, meteors, and whatnot. An ample amount of knowledge most of you would have already gained about these celestial bodies.
But today, the physics duo has so much to tell you about the International Space Station. The International Space Station (ISS) is a multi-nation construction project that is the largest single structure humans have ever put into space. Its main construction was completed between 1998 and 2011. The station evolves to include new missions and experiments. ISS is a home for astronauts in space. For whatever duration of their stay in space, the ISS provides the astronauts with almost everything they might be needing.
So, this was just an introduction. There's so much to tell you about the ISS, so we decided to cover up the video in parts. Be ready to know where our astronauts sleep, what do they do when they feel peckish, where do they poop and pee in space. Firstly, for your information, in space there is no gravity, so you don't walk or run or creep. What you actually do is float. Sounds so cool, right? But just think about it. In fact, water floats in air. So the question is, how do they pee?
Weird but a legit question. They do have 2 bathrooms on the board. Not exactly like the toilets we have at our home, but a long tubular structure for urination and a plate-sized small toilet hole for solid excreta, as you can see in the pictures.
And yes, they also brush their teeth, although the water sticks with their toothpaste on the brush, but they have to do it anyway.
For those who might be thinking, where exactly do they sleep and how can one sleep while floating? There are 6 sleeping quarters, and you must be knowing that ISS holds crews of between 3 and 6 people. The number has varied over years, which totally depends upon the requirement and situation.
The ISS has area for cooking also, so why to worry when you have food? Hearing about these facilities, don't be very eager to become an astronaut, because they do have to cope up with a lot of troubles.
In space, the muscle shape and size keeps on changing, so one needs to work out daily for 2 hours. If not done so, you can land up being physically and mentally sick.
Moreover, more than 50 computers control all the systems on the station. 6 spaceships can dock to the station at any one time. It flies around the world every 90 minutes, traveling at 7.66 kilometers per second. In the space of just 24 hours, the space station makes 16 orbits of Earth, traveling through 16 sunrises and sunsets.
It's 357 feet long from end to end. That's about the same as a football pitch. 205 spacewalks have been carried out since December 1998. The ISS weighs about 420,000 kgs. That's about the same as 320 cars. The space station competes with the brilliant planet Venus in brightness and appears as the bright moving light across the night sky. It is the second brightest object in our night sky, the moon being in the first position. It can be seen from Earth without the use of a telescope by night sky observers who know when and where to look. You can use the NASA app to find out when and where to spot the International Space Station's location.
The ISS gives the chance to do scientific experiments that cannot be done on Earth, as the station offers an environment of microgravity. But all the scientific researches, medical treatments and technicalities will be discussed in the next part of the video.
So guys, hit the like button if you enjoyed watching this video, comment below if you want to know about something in specific related to ISS. We would love to answer your questions. Subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell for updates.